This is Mike, and this is Everyday Off-Road. Alright, thought we'd turn the camera on for this little modification, but as you can see, it's a floor jack. What we got going is we have a mount to replace this, the cup from the floor jack, to hold a Dana 30 front axle. The same Dana 30 front axle that's sitting in front of Project Trail Rig. We need to move them. So, as you can see, we've already, sorry for the shakiness here, using the handheld. We removed the bolt from the center already, which exposes this humongous hole. Alright, now what we have going in its place is this monstrosity. Now, you see this hole right here? This hole will have a bolt going through it. It's not on center because the Dana 30 differential is offset. So, rather than me show you all the hassle I'm going to go through for getting this bolt in, I'm going to turn you guys off, bring you back, and then we'll show you being used. Alright, shall we try it? Alright, get her lined up. See what happens. Bingo. These ribs are now sitting inside the clamps. Alright, we're back. Now let's see if this actually works. I know it works. It's just showing it to you here on right now. Alright, tighten the jack handle. The Dana 30 suspended from a jack. There we go. See how good you can get a view of this. And see how much of an offset there is because of the weight. So let's move this Dana 30 out of the way so we can work here. That was the main concern, is we had moved the axle from underneath at the end of last season and never got to go anywhere with it because we had unexpected snow. So, how to move a Dana 30 complete axle assembly with one person and a floor jack. Alright, let me go move this thing out of the way. Now to get my jack back, we're going to undo that single bolt right there. We'll leave this whole housing attached. So it's just a matter of pulling this jack back underneath here, putting that bolt in, and we can move this guy around wherever we need to. Alright, now just to give you some sort of perspective here, we moved from all the way up there, all the way up there, all the way back here. Just me and a floor jack.